In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted pages in Microsoft OneNote. If you deleted a page by mistake, don't worry. OneNote usually keeps deleted pages for a short period, often up to about 60 days, so you still have time to get them back. Let's start with the most reliable method, the Notebook Recycle Bin. On OneNote for Windows or Mac, open the notebook where the page was deleted. Go to the History tab and select Notebook Recycle Bin or Deleted Notes. This opens a view showing pages and sections that were removed from that notebook. Scroll through and find the page you want. When you see it, right-click the page, choose Move or Copy, then select the notebook and section where you want it restored. Click Move and the page will appear again like nothing happened. If you're using OneNote in a web browser, go to onenote.com and sign in. Open the correct notebook, then look for Deleted Notes or Notebook Recycle Bin in the menu. Browse the deleted items, right-click the page you want and choose Restore or Move. Select the destination section and confirm. The page will sync back to all your devices. If you deleted the page just moments ago, there's an even faster option. Press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo the action. If you haven't done many steps since deleting, OneNote will restore the page instantly. If you don't see the page, double-check that you're in the right notebook and signed into the correct account, then give OneNote a moment to sync. That's it. Use the Notebook Recycle Bin for most recoveries, or undo right away if you catch the deletion immediately, and you'll have your notes back quickly.